Hello lovely people, how are we all doing out there? I hope everyone is fine and dandy and living the best life you can at this moment. So here I am again with another unboxing. You've seen the picture, you've seen the title, you know we're here for March's Degustabox. Very exciting, and it is so heavy, like my one arm, oh my elbow can't handle it, so we're just going to keep it down here. If you would like to find out what is in this month's Degustabox and whether you should go and grab yourself one, and I recommend it because they are always pretty damn good, then I'd love it if you could give me a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you know when I upload, and of course share this video because everyone wants to know about this box, don't they? What else would they be thinking about? I don't know, other things, weather, football. Anyway, let's get into the video. So Degustabox is a monthly food subscription box. It has all kinds of things. It could be products that are already out. It could be new products that a company is bringing out to the market. They are normally full size or quite a generous sample, and it's pretty great. I don't think there's a Degustabox I haven't liked. It costs $12.99 a month, or by using this code you can get your first box for a mere $7.99. That's right, $7.99 for all these goodies, and regardless if the box is $12.99 or $7.99, the value of the box is always more, often about £20 plus. So should we find out what's inside? I'm not going to lift it up because my good arm, my elbow is really hurting, so I'm just going to, you're going to have to believe me. It always comes wrapped with brown paper and a little sticker that says "Open me, eat me, enjoy me." And you always get some paraphernalia. This tells you what's in your box, and you get these, which are often to do with items in your box. So I'm just going to go and see, what does Degustabox say for March? Okay, on one side it's got Smarties and Milky Bar mixed mini eggs, Easter chocolate brownies recipe. So I wouldn't be surprised if we had mini eggs. Well, it's got a bag that has Milky Bar eggs and Smartie eggs. So I'm guessing we're going to have that inside our box. What else shall we dip in with? Let's put this here. Right. Oh, this is a box of squish noodles, but it's okay. Mr. Lee's Hong Kong Street Beef. Bold and vibrant beef rice noodles with broccoli, orange blossom, honey, ginger and Chinese 5-spice. It says it's mild, 100% tasty, 0% nasty, 218 calories and low in sugar. Ooh, what do we think of that then? Well, it's 69% rice noodles, 10.4% beef stock, so it's not vegetarian. Freeze-dried vegetables, 1%, some 1.6% broccoli, some other stuff. I think even I might be able to have this one. Noodles are noodles, right? Wrong. Most cup noodles use nasty and dehydrated ingredients, sucking out lots of the flavour and nutrients. Mr. Lee's noodles use loads of freeze-dried ingredients, locking in all the good stuff. After my diagnosis with cancer a few years ago, I stopped eating junk food, including instant cup noodles, my guilty pleasure. I vowed that once I got better, I'd create a cup noodle without all the nasties. Well, get better I did, and Mr. Lee's noodles was born. They're free of MSG, hydrogenated fats and tons of other nasties, but full of premium freeze-dried ingredients. So the beef tastes like beef, the chilli tastes like chilli, and the ginger tastes like, well, you get the picture. From Damien Lee, founder and noodle lover. And this comes from Australia. If you can see that. Oh, that's quite cool. And this is about noodles, 20% off when you buy from MrLeesNoodles.com using the code Degusta20. And it says everything I just said, and you can win all 6 flavours by taking a selfie, slurping our noodles and tagging us on Twitter, Facebook using #NoodleLove at MrLeesNoodles.com. And the competition ends 30th of April. So get yourself down to, well, get yourself online and ordering some of these noodles and take a picture. Ooh, $2.99 for 1 pack of noodles. They better be bloody good. Mr. Lee's is an award-winning range of 6 premium noodles in a cup, certified gluten-free and low in sugar, also low in saturated fats and calories, and absolutely no nasties. They uniquely use freeze-dried ingredients to ensure that the product locks in the nutrients and the flavour, so beef tastes like beef, blah, 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 blah. Vegan options are also available. and you'll get either the Hong Kong street beef or the dragon fire vegetables flavour. Oh, I'm glad I got the beef one. So $2.99. Right. As I thought, look at these goodies. It is a massive bag. Well, it feels really heavy. Of Milky Bar and Smarties mini eggs. Yum, yum, yum. Perfect for Easter. We haven't got any eggs. 5 mini eggs is 1 serving. Did you know that? It's probably dangerous. Probably dangerous. Smarties and Milky Bar have mixed their mini eggs, perfect for sharing with all the family. It says Happy Easter, and they are worth £3. Whew. But it is a heavy bag actually, it's 300 grams, but it feels beastie. Doesn't it feel heavy?
Very.
Husband says it's heavy too. Oh, he's going to be so happy with this. This is a sauce from Incona. We get quite a few of their sauces because husband likes a spicy sauce. This is limited edition Carolina Reaper chili, our hottest chili sauce. Try at your own risk. This will not be passing my lips in any way, shape or form. But my husband will be super excited to have this, and probably we might take it over to my parents' house, my mum's birthday, and my husband and my dad can, you know, have a mouth off and see who can handle the hottest chili. It says explore the ultimate heat and flavour combination of Incona limited edition Carolina Reaper chili sauce. This scorching blend of the world's hottest chili pepper, tomatoes and spices will challenge even the bravest of chili lovers. Why not use a marinade and create your own hot wing challenge? This sounds super dangerous. But that's worth £1.49. You can add it to one pot dishes by adding a few drops whilst cooking as well. So far, everything is saying exactly what it says in the bottle or the package. So I'm ahead of the game. I don't need to read this sheet. Oh, that looks fun. Oh, there's too many exciting things. My favourite, squash. I love squash so much because the water here, I don't really like our water. The water like 5 miles away where I used to live was delicious. This water sucks and it doesn't get cold ever. There's some room on this, which is a bit sad, but it is quite dirty. Like, that's not particularly attractive, is it, on your bottle of squash? Anyway, it's pineapple and passion fruit flavour, no added sugar, rich in vitamin C. And I love a squash because, yeah, like I said, I don't really like the taste of water, so I always drink squash. It's 850ml, made with sweeteners, but most importantly, it will make 17 drinks. For a 250ml glass, so like half a pint glass, or just under half a pint size, it's 9 calories. So that's not bad. That's about the same as the one I have at the moment, actually. It's worth £2.49. Ribena is excited to announce new pineapple and passion fruit to its much-loved squash range. This ultimate tasty treat has no added sugar and contains less than 15 calories per 250ml serving. Available to buy from March, Ribena pineapple and passion fruit squash is a perfect tropical accompaniment to mealtimes. If you can hear rustling, that's our Mr. Greedy Pants over there has got those eggs open. I knew I shouldn't have given it to him. Never mind, I should learn to share. Learn to share. Oh, what is this? Oh, I don't know what is in this box, but there is loads of stuff that's got dirty and covered in crap. I don't even know what it is. Is it food? I have to say, Degustabox has never arrived like this before, so... Can you see all that dirt stuff stuck on it? Something's got wet and something... Do you know what it is? I know what this is. This is from the pot noodle. The pot noodle has exploded. Something has got sticky in here, and that's why it's got like peas and what looks like gravy granules. Well, Degusta, can you please send me some new products? Thank you. They are pretty good actually. They will send replacements like in your next box or separate ones, but as I've got about 5 damaged things, I guess maybe they should just send me a new box. A fresh box, a clean box, please. Okay, this is Tenzing Natural Energy, and I think every box I've had some kind of weird drink, like an energy drink or coconut water or cactus water or aloe vera water or something. So it's their thing, Natural Energy, 6 key ingredients sourced from nature. Himalayan rock salt, green coffee, lemon juice, guarana, not guana, not like bat poop, guarana, green tea, beet sugar. I can't read it because it's too dirty. It's a natural sparkling energy drink with herbal extracts, Himalayan rock salts and natural flavourings. 55 calories per can, 0 artificial additives, vegan, non-GMO, 100% recyclable can. 5% of our profits are invested in environmental projects, which is great. Contains 80 milligrams of natural caffeine, about the same as a cup of coffee. What does that say? To create Tenzing natural energy, we travel the world to find the highest tasty ingredients. I can't read it because it's covered in stuff. On our journey, we stumbled across the energising brew of the Himalayan Sherpas. This inspired both our recipe and our name, chosen in honour of the late Sherpa Tenzing Norgay, one of the first 2 men to reach the summit of Mount Everest. We are proud to work closely with his family on the environmental project. Find out more on www.tenzingnaturalenergy.com. Well, I do always enjoy a project that does something good for the world, the environment, local causes, whatever. So that's nice. That is worth £1.19. Ah, you see, that is where all the stuff has leaked out from. So when that's got squashed in the box, all the contents has leaked out. So I won't be having that tonight. But I don't know why everything's so sticky. Like, why? What has leaked to make everything, all that stick to everything? Right, what is this? More crap on my stuff. Right, it says Hafer Voli. Is it German or something? Handmade limited flapjack. Flapjack with cinnamon, ginger and clove. Weird. Whole grain rolled oats, honey, sunflower oil, walnuts, apricots, almonds, sesame, cocoa powder. It's got quite big bits of nut in. I don't really like a nut. Otherwise I would enjoy that. But yeah. So let's just pop it down there with the rest of its dirty playmates. It's worth £1.99. It's Hafervol Flapjack Limited Leberkuchen. Hafervol flapjacks are the first 100% natural oat bars without added sugar, cheap stuffing or other chemical additives. Gently handmade and oven baked, they always taste homemade. Oh, so cute. Right, these are heavy. That is what's making the box heavy. It's hurting my arm. I'll just hold these for a second. You see? Now just pretend you're looking. Actually, if I rest it on the box, it's okay. So these are orange juice drinks. It says Roald Dahl's Charlie and the Chocolate Factory on the front. Great British brand. We just finished reading Charlie and the Chocolate Factory quite recently. It's very good. I highly recommend it if you've never read it. Yeah, don't just watch the film, read the book, honestly. It's worth it. It says Appy Kids Co. Honestly good. No added sugar. Nothing artificial. It's gluten-free. Sweetness from nature. Ethically sourced ingredients. Fits in a lunchbox. Complies with school regulations. Based in the UK, it looks like. Vegetarian Society approved. It's made from green apple, orange and stevia. 22 calories per 100ml. And these are 200ml cartons, so 44 calories. This does look very nice. I like a juice drink, and we can take these in the car for a picnic. It says, so please, we beg, we pray, go throw your TV set away, and in its place you can install a lovely bookshelf on the wall. Then fill the shelves with lots of books. Roald Dahl, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Download our free Appy Kids Co app and scan this magic pack to unlock Roald Dahl activities. Now, do you know which child this was talking about?
Mike TV.
This is a test. It was Mike TV because he was obsessed with watching TV. The clue's in the name.
There you go.
Well done, husband, for paying attention. I like to know I'm being listened to. They are £1.29 for the pack of 3. Boasting beloved book characters Matilda, the BFG and Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, the wholesome Roald Dahl range encourages kids' thirst for reading whilst keeping them hydrated. Vegan approved and low in calories, the glorious drinks contain no GMOs, gluten, added sugars or artificial preservatives, making them perfect for lunchboxes. Pick up your free pack of cheese strings snack mix. It looks like this. So it has tasty apricot cubes, white chocolate shortcake, juicy raisins, real cheese and crunchy crackers. That is weird. So it's a fruity mix. So it's got crunchy crackers and fruity mix. You've got crunchy crackers and cherry strings. Cheese with cherry in it? I don't understand this. And then mini pretzels with fruity cubes. Cheese string snack mix is a new 3-in-1 snack. We took real cheese chunks, then mixed it up with some of our favourite nibbles to be the answer to all your snacking needs. Snack mix makes the perfect after-school treat with its mix of tasty cheese crackers and fruity fun. Mix it up with our 3 varieties, fruity mix, cherry strings and fruity cubes. Why not give it a try and pick up your free pack with this coupon, available from selected stores. And on the back it has like a little game thing for people to play. Well, children I guess to play. Why did the cherry stop in the middle of the road? He ran out of juice. It's not funny. Shreddy's Max Granola. Ooh, crunchy oat clusters with shreddy pieces. Good source of protein. What a tenuous link to get to clusters from Shreddy's. Honestly, come on now. Just throw a bit of a shreddy in it. Like, can you see in the picture? It's just got a bit of shreddy in it. And then they say Shreddy's granola. That is crazy. Crazy. And they also do cranberry and oat granola. Ooh, that would have been nice too. Because it doesn't seem to have nuts, which is excellent. There's at least 8 grams of whole grain per serving. 45 gram serving with 125 ml semi-skimmed milk is 242 calories. I like that it gives you a 45 gram serving because these 25 gram servings are totally unrealistic. Who only has that for breakfast? Borrowers. That's who. That's who. And that's a good breakfast for them. That is $2.59 for that size apparently, which is quite a lot for that size, but you know, I guess it's a premium product. Shreddy's Max Granola is a delicious combination of crunchy oat clusters with Shreddy's pieces. Made with 74% whole grain, high in fibre and a good source of protein to maximise your morning. And we're down to our last item. It's all wrapped up. So, okay, this looks quite nice. This is from Cereal. Qua di Palato. Parmigiano. Sauce, tomato or parmesan. So tomato sauce with parmesan in it. Parmigiano Reggiano. Proper stuff. That's not too bad as far as ingredients go. Be the first in the UK to try Cereal premium peeled plum tomatoes in 2 new pasta sauce recipes. Made with 100% top Italian ingredients for a genuine and tasty dish. Simply heat through until piping hot and add to cooked pasta. You'll receive one of 2 flavours in your Degustabox. Okay, I'm going to quickly add this up and I'll be back. And with the help of my trusty assistant, we have added everything up and come to a grand total of £20.03, which is awesome, considering this box cost $12.99. So what do we think of this month's box? Now, putting aside the fact that the thing exploded, because that would taint my opinion, wouldn't it? I really like it. The chili sauce husband loves. Noodles we're very excited about. Cheese string, he also enjoys a cheese string. Mini eggs, who doesn't love a mini egg? Particularly like the white chocolate ones, so I'm very happy about that. Rolled dal and a squash. What more do I want in life? More squash. Ribena squash, excellent. Pasta sauce makes my life easy. Shreddy's Max Granola doesn't have extra stupid big fat nuts in, so I'm very happy. And the flapjack is the only thing that I'm not keen on. It's because I don't really like nuts and I can see giant massive nuts in it. But I'm sure there's somebody I can give that to who will be so appreciative. There you go. That is March's Degustabox. What do you think about all the products? Do you think it's worth the price? Do you think it's good value for money? Things that you'd like or things you wouldn't like? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And until we see each other again, I hope that you live every moment well and take care of yourself. Bye guys.